Now that you have a mailing list, a big mailing list, the next step is how are we going to send the email to this group of people? We can just use any bulk email software and start sending email, but are those email going to hit the inbox? If the email do not hit the inbox and it hit the spam folder, then it really doesn't matter how many email you have and how many email that you send out, because none of the email hit inbox or you have a very low inbox rate. I will teach you the right way to send email, how not to get your account banned and suspended by your ISP, by your hosting server, by your autorespondent provider. I will show you various strategies to send email that will hit inbox and not the spam folder. There is a free way to send email, there's also paid way to send email. And the best way to send email is to use a combination of these two. I will show it in the course how do we do all this step by step. If the email can land in the inbox, you can promote yourself, promote your services, promote your product, promote an affiliate link. There's endless possibility here. You're going to make more money and save more time. Learn the right strategy right from the start. Get your email delivered to inbox today. Enroll now in the course and I'll see you on the inside.